Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Samsung Galaxy S24 series, pre-orders, records, X passkey logins on iPhones and iPads, Asus ZenBook 14 OLED launch, OnePlus Buds 3 series launch, Google Ads integrates Gemini model, Apple's plan for third-party software downloads in Europe, Microsoft Teams update for audio and video settings, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Samsung's Galaxy S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra have achieved record-breaking pre-orders in India, surpassing 250,000 orders within the first 3 days. Despite pre-orders initially scheduled until 31 January, the devices are available for order on Amazon earlier than expected. The Samsung Galaxy S24 priced at INR 79,999 offers same-day delivery, while the S24 Plus starting at INR 99,999 and S24 Ultra starting at INR 1,29,999 in specific version are set to reach customers by 29 January. X, a streaming service, now supports passkey logins on iPhones and iPads, extending this security feature to all members regardless of their premium status. Passkeys enable users to bypass password entry by relying on the device security features such as Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Currently available only in the US, X has not disclosed when passkey login will roll out on Android desktop operating system or in other countries. Passkey technology aligned with major tech companies like Google, PayPal, Microsoft, and Nintendo, offering a passwordless login experience. Asus India introduces the ZenBook 14 OLED as the newest addition to the ZenBook Classic series. The laptop features a sleek all-metal design measuring 14.9 mm in thickness and weighing 1.2 kg for portability. Equipped with a 14-inch OLED touchscreen, the ZenBook 14 OLED offers a 3K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio, and up to 600 nits of brightness. Powered by the Intel Evo Edition, the laptop includes an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and Intel Arc graphics, integrating AI capabilities for improved performance and energy efficiency. Additional features include super linear speakers, face logging, FHD IR cameras with a physical shutter, and a quiet Asus Ergo Sense keyboard. OnePlus launches the OnePlus Buds 3 series, the company's third generation earbuds in India. The earbuds feature a glossy finish design with a charging case similar to that of the OnePlus Buds 2 Pro. Boasting a 10.4 mm woofer and 6 mm tweeter, the Buds 3 deliver an ultra-wide 15Hz to 40 kHz frequency response and provide up to 49 dB of active noise cancellation. Features include LHDC 5.0, high-res audio support, touch control, IP55 rating, and a promise of up to 44 hours of total battery life. Google Ads announces the integration of its Gemini model into Google Ads, enhancing AI-powered ad initiatives. Gemini powers the conversational experience for search campaigns, combining advertiser expertise with AI assistance. The chat-based interface allows advertisers to generate optimized search campaigns, including ad content, creative, and keywords. Initially available to English language advertisers in the US and UK, beta access for this feature will expand globally in the coming weeks. Apple plans to introduce new fees and restrictions for third-party software downloads outside its App Store exclusively in Europe. This move is in response to the European Union's Digital Market Act (DMA), aiming to address market dominance and enhance user flexibility between services. Apple's plan enables users to download software onto the iPhone outside the App Store, marking a significant shift. Meta, formerly Facebook, also announced compliance with the DMA, offering users more choices in consuming its services. Microsoft Teams introduces new tools allowing users to quickly control audio and video settings during a Teams meeting. Part of an update available in Microsoft Teams public preview, the tool simplify adjustment for audio and video settings. Users can access key AV features with a single touch from the meeting toolbar or through additional options on the side panel. The update aims to streamline the management of audio and video settings during meetings for a more user-friendly experience. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट में।